The American Scimitar Association is proud to sanction Progress Through Performance shows, otherwise known as PTP shows. PTP shows are designed to effectively combine the assessment of EPDs with traditional phenotypic evaluation. This short video will show you how to pull the EPDs on cattle entered at your show to create a show program. To begin our data pool, we'll visit American Scimitar Association Herd Book Services at www.herdbook.org. Upon arriving at the Herd Book Services page, there's no need to log in. You'll simply click in the top right-hand corner where it says Data Search, and then click on Special Reports. As you'll see, a new page will arrive where there's the option to click on Extracts for Others. You'll want to click on this, and you'll see PTP appear. Click on PTP, and you'll see another sub-option of Data for PTP shows. Click there. You'll see an area to enter the list of animal registration numbers on the right-hand side of your page. We suggest you copy and paste your registration number list from whatever file format you may have. In this case, we'll show you an example from Microsoft Excel. And you'll simply paste it in the area to the right-hand side of the page. And then click Get Results.